Hi guys, Tech James here. In this video I will be showing you guys how to put a skin on your PS Vita, and I will also be telling you guys if I think it's worth it. So right here I have a white carbon fibre skin. Now I doubt it's actually real carbon fibre, it's probably just plastic, but it does give that carbon fibre look. So I will be putting this on the front and back of my PS Vita and seeing if it actually looks any good. So there's a few reasons why you might want to do this. Maybe if your PS Vita has loads of scratches on, if you got it second hand, or maybe you're just really bored of the design of it. Personally, I don't mind the black version. I just want to put this on and just see what it looks like, and I thought it might be interesting for a video. So the first thing I'm going to do is just clean my PS Vita, just make sure I get all the fingerprints off. Obviously you don't want to put the sticker over the fingerprints, so let's just do that now, and then I will get to putting it on. Okay, so let's start with the front. So as you can see, it actually has the buttons on here as well. I don't want to cover the buttons. I only really want to do the outline. So let's just do that. You have to very carefully try and take it off. They are quite hard to get off. If you guys want to buy one of these, I'll try and find some on eBay and Amazon, and I'll try and link them in the description. There isn't many of them around. Obviously the PS Vita isn't as popular as it used to be, so companies aren't really making these anymore, but there are a few companies that still make these sort of things. Right, so the front skin is on, and to be honest, that was actually very difficult. It's a lot harder than an iPhone skin, and as you guys can see, I haven't even got it perfect. There's like a bit of a line here, and I don't even know if I'll be able to get that out. It's very hard to put this on, and if you don't get it exactly accurate from this side when you're trying to put the whole thing on, the rest of it will just go wrong. But to be honest, it doesn't look bad. It looks okay. I screwed it up a bit, and to be honest, I don't think I would actually be able to get these right, and I'm a bit of a perfectionist, so yeah, this just kind of makes me cringe, so I'm definitely going to be taking this off afterwards. But let's just try the back anyway, and we will see what that looks like. Alright, so the back went a bit better. This is actually kind of weird though, because as you can see, this side is lined up very well. There is a bit of a gap here, but there was actually some scratches on mine because mine was second hand, and I'm pretty impressed with that. That does actually look quite nice. So maybe I'll keep the back on and just take the front off, because I really don't like this bit here. But yeah, kind of interesting. The back isn't looking too bad. Now there is also an outer layer for the camera and stuff. I'm probably going to leave that off because mine's in pretty good condition, and I don't really want to cover that, and I think it'll come off really easily. But yeah, let me know what you think in the comments. This is the back side, and then this is the front side. Does it look good, or does it just look really trash? But yeah, the back of it, I'm pretty pleased with that. This will protect it from scratches, like if I leave it down on the surface. So yeah, the back actually seems pretty decent. But yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. Let me know, do you think a PS Vita skin is worth it? This was very cheap. I think I paid like £1.50 for it or something like that. But even so, yeah, I guess it's alright. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.